Good morning, dear students. Chapter 4 Sorting Material into Groups completed. Now I will teach Lesson 7 Getting to Know Plants. Getting to know plants. Getting to know plants. In this chapter we will discuss about the plants. In this chapter we will discuss about the plants. What is herb? What is shrub? What is tree? Creeper, climber, and plants on the basis of size, it can be categorized into herb, shrubs and trees. So herbs are the small plants. Herb is the small plant with a green soft stem. Small plant and it has a green soft stem, and they do not grow more than 3 to 4 feet height. They may not have branches. And what is shrubs? And examples, you can take here examples: mustard, sunflower, petunia, pea, wheat, paddy, balsam. And now what is shrub? Shrubs are medium sized plants. Shrubs are the medium sized plants with hard and woody stem. Medium sized plants, hard woody stems, and many branches are seen. Many branches you can see. Just above the ground. Many branches you can see just above the ground. Example in this, China rose. You can take example China rose, lemon, henna means mehdi, pomegranate, and now come to the trees. Trees are the tall plants. And hard and woody stem. And they have a main trunk from which branches and leaves arise in the upper part, main above the ground. Example, you can see trees: mango tree, neem tree, peepal tree, babul, gulmohar, amaltas. Amaltas. And now come to the creeper. What is the creeper? Plants having weak stems. Plants having weak stems. Plants having weak stems. Plants having weak stems that spread on the ground, that spread on the ground and cannot stand upright, and cannot stand upright are called creepers, like mint. What are the creeper plants? Plants having weak stems that spread on the ground and cannot stand upright. They cannot stand upright like this position, and are called the creepers, like mint. Climbers. So in case of pea and money plant, the weak stems take support. In this, weak stems take support. Weak stems take support of neighboring structures and climb. Neighboring structures and climb up. Such plants are called the climbers. Such type of plants are called the climbers. Weak stems take support of neighboring structures and climb up, and this type of plants is called the climbers. Now come to the parts of a plant. Till here you will take revision. What is herb? Shrubs, trees, creeper, climber. These 5 terms you will take revision, and I will tell parts of a plant.